I had one of you guys message me asking, is it too late to start this profession? Like, I am 30, I am 40, I am 37, I am 36, I am 27. Is it too late? I'm 28. Is it too late? I have had all of these questions come to me, and let me tell you guys, I'm not going to give you some kind of cliched advice about it's never too late, or you're too young and it's never too late to start something, or look at someone like who started KFC started too late and all of those things. You've probably heard about those stories. Okay, I'll tell you the fact. I have personally seen and known a trainer who is like 45 years old, and lot of clients actually preferred him. So your age, the older you are, it's not really an issue. It's not something that is going to stop you. In fact, that is going to be an advantage for you. That is actually a good thing, because lot of clients preferred him because he looked older, he looked more experienced, he looked more wise and mature. So a lot of clients actually preferred him, especially clients who were 40 plus, 30 plus. They were all like, I think, I'm not sure if a young guy is gonna be able to, relate to what I'm going through or understand me. I think this guy would be a better option. So all of the clients were actually preferring that particular trainer who was 45 years old. Trust me. So age is not an issue here. It's actually an advantage for you. Now, keeping those things aside, one more thing you need to understand is people don't care how you look. People don't really care what your age is. People don't really care even if you have six-pack abs or something like this. Yes, all of these things matter to some extent, but mostly it's about what are you bringing to the table. If you have a lot of knowledge regarding corrective exercise, regarding nutrition, regarding personal training, regarding coaching, if you understand people, if you connect well with people, if you are passionate about this career and you're having that drive and enthusiasm to learn more, to grow and improve each and every single day, boom, that's all. That's it, man. That's it. That's all you need. You don't have to be young. You don't have to be 23. You don't have to be 22. You don't have to be anything like that. If you are 30, if you're 37, you are really young. Trust me. Even if you're 45, 50, 55, doesn't matter. What are you bringing to the table? How can you play by your strengths? These are the questions that you should be asking yourself. Okay, I am 55. Fine. What can I do? Which clientele can I target better based on my age? What are the things that I will be better at doing? And most importantly, what is it that excites me? Studying what excites me? These are the questions that you should be asking yourself, and not thinking about, oh my god, it's too late. There are so many people who are so tech savvy. There are so many people who are young. They know all these fancy exercises. They know so much things, and I will be competing with them. Oh my god. No, don't think like that. I'm telling you, when you are chasing your passion, when you are doing something that is meaningful at least to you, when you are doing something that you care about and you're excited about and you love doing, trust me, you will figure out ways to go through the competition, to get a lot of clients, to do well in this industry. Now, assuming that you have taken care of those external things such as grooming, dressing, having a good certification, getting some knowledge, doing some workshops and stuff like that, that's it. After that point, it's all about your passion. What excites you? What kind of clients excites you? What kind of job in that sector of fitness excites you? Is it corrective exercise? Is it nutrition? Is it strength and conditioning? What is it? Find that out. And to find that out, you'll probably have to work in a gym at least for 3 months or 4 months, right? So don't think so much. Don't spend so much time overthinking. You know what they say? The root cause of anxiety, the root cause of fear is when you're either thinking about the past or you're thinking about the future. That is what bothers a lot of people. That is what makes you really anxious. Don't do that. Think about present. What are you doing today to get one step closer to what you want to do 2 years from now, 2 months from now, 2 days from now? That's it. Period. Okay, so don't worry. Bottom line, it doesn't matter whether you're 37, whether you're 33, whether you're 47, whether you're 55. It's all about you. What you bring to the table. How well can you serve the clients? And of course, how well can you market yourself? Can you make yourself known or present over there outside? That's it. You're not tech savvy, no problem. You can hire somebody to do that for you, right? There is a solution. In this day and age, there is a solution for everything. Don't worry about those things. Focus on today, focus on right now. What can you study next? What can you do about this profession? How can you move forward? And just focus on that. Your today, your present. And all these big words aside, I am telling you, there is a lot of scope in this industry, irrespective of what your age is. All right? All the best.